Okay, are you ready to put those face masks back on? That's what health experts are now encouraging at this point.
And it's all because our hospitals are simply overwhelmed with viruses impacting both children and adults. Brittany Costello joins us now. And Brittany, experts say this situation is actually worse than what we were going through really at any point during the pandemic.
Yeah, Tessa, health experts say during the pandemic, we were masking and taking other precautions that helped mitigate other viral illnesses. Now we have COVID, RSV, and the flu hitting hard this year. Pediatric units are full, and so are adult emergency rooms. And while things are pretty steady with RSV hospitalizations, flu cases have dramatically increased. We heard from health leaders with our biggest hospital systems, UNM Hospital, Presbyterian, and Loveless. They say this will be an extremely brutal flu season. There are a few reasons for that. Here is Dr. Jason Mitchell, Chief Medical Officer for Presbyterian Health Systems.
There's normal variation in flu year to year depending on the strain. And so you see those peaks and troughs. This particular one was a heavy year, not because of masking, but because of that variation and because people aren't vaccinated. And so fortunately, we do have an ability to stop and mitigate that. And that's really getting the vaccine. And the uptake is just remarkably low.
Those health experts say typically there is about a 50% vaccine uptake for the flu. This year, they noted some communities are below 20% vaccination rate. Dr. Mitchell says this year the flu vaccine is effective and could help people from becoming dangerously sick. And there is still time to get your flu shot.
What we do know is there's a lot of respiratory illness out there. If we keep on like we are today, then this will continue for quite some time. If as a community, we can really move back to some more precautions, more masking in public settings, and get those vaccines out quickly, we could mitigate this as a community.
As we've seen in the past with COVID, hospitals are in the middle of making plans and building out capacity. Tonight at 6, we are taking you inside a new pop-up tent triage center at UNM Hospital. We'll also have more on how you can keep your family safe heading into the holidays. Back to you guys. All right.